I'm Steve Gerritsen, organizer of Digital Currency Con. We're in Park City, Utah. It's Friday, July 13th, 2018. I've got Jared Tate, founder and creator of DigiByte. Honored to have all three of them with us here at Digital Currency Con. Just like to have each of them say a little bit why they're here and some of the things that they've got going on with.
My name is Jared Tate, the founder of the DigiByte blockchain. I'm happy to be here because, this is kind of like my backyard. I was born just up the road in Idaho, so got a lot of memories here. So I kind of feel like it's my backyard. It's great to see this technology is spreading. It's growing. One of the things I like to say is, if you just look at the world around you, you see so many things in nature that show you that decentralization is the way to go. And blockchain technology is the digital DNA of our future. And blockchain technology can, fix 95% of the cybersecurity vulnerabilities we have in the internet today. So, it's really awesome to be here and meet these gentlemen, to meet other like-minded individuals, and to realize that we're on the forefront of the next, phase, and I guess, of technology and humanity. It's a paradigm shift. So, if you want to know more about DigiByte, go to digibyte.io. We're almost a 5-year-old blockchain. It's currently the fastest, longest, and most decentralized UTXO blockchain in the world. So we've been battle hardened for over 4.5 years.